How to redeem YouTube Premium code from Discord. If any day you are both a YouTube user as well as a Discord user and you would like to redeem the YouTube Premium code from your very Discord account but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to launch the very Discord application on your mobile device. In the search icon, you can search Discord application or manually find Discord application on your mobile device. After you launch the very Discord application on the mobile device, you can go to the message section on your mobile device and you can find the very premium code that has been sent to you by any of your friend on Discord. Now what you can do is you can just paste it or you can just write down or note it down on any of the place that you want. You have to just note it down the code that your friend has sent, or you can also save it by just copying it. After that, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Google Chrome. After you search Google Chrome or any of the Chrome or any of the browser application there, you have to tap on it. After you tap on it, you can see an interface like this. Now in the search icon, you have to search youtube.com/redeem. After you tap on youtube.com/redeem, you can see an interface like this. Now what you can do is you can either paste the code out here, but if you have noted it in your very other devices, or you have also noted it down on your any copy or your notebook, you can just tap the code here and then go to the option of next, and this way your very code will be redeemed. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.